Welcome back to part 2 of module 7, which we're talking about international application using proxy tools. And I'll be showing you how you can set up your proxy. All right, so let me just head right on to my browser. So basically I use ASOC for my proxy. And also I can recommend you to use this proxy called Pi S5 proxy. All right, so either you use ASOC this, or you use what Pi S5 proxy. They are very good proxy that you can use to apply for any remote jobs of your choice. All right, and I have often told you in the beginning of this course that there are so many remote jobs that offer social media evaluation projects. All right, so if you are applying for such project, you should know the company to apply for. All right, so I'm just going to be applying for maybe 2 or 3 companies. So just follow the process as I show you practically how you can do that on your own. All right, so let me just go through. So this is the ASOC. I've registered, so you have to sign up to this website for you to be able to have access to it. So if you want to sign up, you click on registration and you sign up, and it's so easy. So let me sign in so that I can show you how you can set up the proxy. Again. Alright, so this is how the dashboard of asoc.com looks like. So you're going to be seeing at the top right on the right hand side of where I'm pointing my cursor, you're going to see balance. So this is where your balance is going to be displayed. Alright, so what next do you need to know? You need to come over where you see create a new proxy, which is the next we're going to be talking about. Then my proxy is where the list of proxies that you just clicked will be showing. All right, so let me just show you how you can create a new proxy from scratch. So I'm going to click on create new proxy. So the location I'm going to be applying from is Texas. All right, so look at the locations that you can see: Russia, the United States, India, and other countries that are represented here. So you are going just to click it, and it's going to pop out the cities or the province that are available. So let me click on the United States. All right, so I'm applying from Texas. So I'm going to click Texas as the state. So these are the cities that are under Texas. All right, so you can see Dallas, Palestine, and so you are going to pick anyone. So I'm going to pick let me pick Dallas. All right, so once you pick Dallas, you are going to click create a new proxy. All right, I can see it's successful. So let's wait for it. So these are the list of the proxies that will be showing over here. When you scroll down, you'll be seeing other proxy locations with different IPs that are represented here. All right, but the one you just created will be showing at the top of your screen. All right, so let me just go up. So if you click over here, you're going to see collapse, but you can see open. All right, so if it's collapsed, they are opening the proxy on its own. So let me just open it. All right, so you're going to be saying proxy, you're going to be saying login, you're going to be saying password. So these are the the key that you need to input in the browser that I'm going to be sharing with you. All right, so the next browser you're going to be using for this proxy is called Go Login. All right, so and it's so easy for you to sign up. So you're going to click on your Google and type Go Login. All right, you're going to type Go Login, sign up. So you're going to click on that. So it's so easy to sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to bring you over here. You're going to click on this first link and you sign up. All right, so that's how you can sign up on Go Login. So let me just go onto my Go Login as we proceed. All right, so this is my Go Login. I've already created a profile. All right, so once you want to continue, you're going to click on either here to create a new profile. So let me use this profile to create an account. So just follow on. So I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to click on settings. All right, so once you click on settings, it's going to pop out like this. All right, you're going to see Go Login proxy, your proxy without proxy. So we are concerned about your proxy. So that's what we are going to be editing. All right, so let me click over here. So we're going to delete this. So we're going to input our IP address. You can see the IP address and you can see the ports. So I'll come over here and so I'm going to copy this proxy address. I'm going to click on copy. Yes, copy. Come over to Go Login and I'm going to paste this here. So this last 4 digits is going to be our port. So let's So let's input the port 9999. All right. So let's look for our login. Come back here. You're going to copy this login details and come back to our Go Login. You now paste it. You scroll down, you go back to the here and click on the password, copy, come back to the Go Login and you can now paste it. All right, so once you are done with that, you scroll down and you click on check proxy. So you can see it's showing. All right, so you're going to click on save. All right, so you're going to click on run to open the browser. The network can be shady sometimes, so we just have to be patient. It has to open the browser. So once it's opened the browser, we can now proceed. All right. So I think the browser has opened. So all right. So this is the browser. Let me close all this. close all this, close all this. So I'm going to leave this too. So this ipscore.com is to check to confirm the location you're applying for. If you remember, we applied for Texas, Dallas, so we're going to confirm if our IP address is in the right location. So let's wait for it while it's load. So the network is kind of shitty, so let's wait to confirm. Alright, you can see it is in the right location, Dallas, Texas. Alright, so the next one you can use to confirm your IP address to be sure that you are roaming in the right location, because it's very important. Imagine you're applying for Texas and your IP location is directing you to Chicago. You can see you might have issue with the application. Alright, so make sure you keep to that. So let's check this. Either use IP score or use wa.net to confirm your IP address. Alright, it's going to give you the accurate location that you selected on your ASOC. It's trying to load. Okay, you can see it's showing Dallas. Alright, so when we are secured and we are in the right location. So let's just read right on. So the first company I'm going to be applying is called CrowdGen. So let's apply for CrowdGen USA. So let me type crowd. Alright, so let's open this. So I'm going to click on this. So the next thing is to go to view projects. So since we're applying for a US account, so we're just going to look for, we might not see social media evaluation projects over here. So let's just look for any US project that we can apply. So we can apply for any of these, but let's look for English. Let's scroll down. US. So we can apply for this. Record conversation is an English project. But let's scroll down to confirm if there are any social media. So these are social media project. There is no USA, and we can't apply for this Australia because we are applying for USC. So let's scroll up and apply for this.